Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear viewers, as you know that we have started chapter number 2, which is Takhti number 2, Murakkabat. I have taught you the meaning of Murakkabat and the beginning 20 letters from Alif to here. I have taught you in the last 2 videos. In each video, I try to teach you the 10 letters because of I would like to explain the one letter clearly. I try to make you pronounce them letters with correct and a proper recitation, with correct and a proper tajweed. So, if you want, in this video, I will repeat the meaning of Murakkabat, which is compound and joined letters. As like, this is Kaf, Lam. These are 2 letters, which I have taught you in a first chapter separately with a correct outlet, with a correct pronunciation, how you will pronounce it, what is the outlet of these letters, from where you will release the letter. So I have taught you in the last videos. If you want to make your recitation correct and proper with tajweed, so let's watch my previous videos and do not forget to subscribe the online Quran tutor. Today we will begin from here. This is Tha. Keep your tongue between the teeth, upper and lower. Keep your tongue between the teeth. Tha. Then Noon. This is a lengthening letter. Try to round your lips in the pronunciation of Noon. This is Ya. Ba alif. This is half ba. This is ba and this is alif. Ba alif. One thing is very important in this chapter. Do not break your breath during the pronunciation of these letters, during the recitation of compound letters like ba alif. Do not break your breath. Noon alif. This is lengthening letter. Round your lips. Noon alif. Then Ta alif. Ya alif. Tha alif. Then Basin. Yasin. In a chapter number 1, which letter were lengthening, here also will be lengthening. During the recitation of Quran, it also will be lengthening letter. Is Yasin. Noon Sad. It was a heavy letter in chapter number 1, so here will be also. Do not change the pronunciation or the outlet. Do not change. Noon Sad. Tawad. This is a heavy letter. Tawad. But do not break the breath during recitation of these letters. Tawad. Then Tha. I have taught you the outlets of this letter. Tha. Then Thajim. This is also a lengthening letter. Thajim. Then Taha. So today we have learned 15 letters in chapter number 2. So if you want to learn Quran with proper tajweed, so we also offer online classes. Contact us on the number given below and do not forget to subscribe my channel.